for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Tornado Watch number 121 continues until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in the listening area: in Arkansas, Crawford, Franklin, and Sebastian; in Oklahoma, Choctaw, Haskell, Latimer, LaFleur, Pittsburgh, and Pushmataha. Tornadoes. Like the wind-blowing ball front and wind gusts up to 70 miles an hour will be possible in and close to the watch area. Average storm movement is expected to be to the northeast at 30 miles an hour. Remember, a tornado watch means conditions are favorable for severe weather in and close to the watch area. These areas should be alert for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Flood watch remains in effect through Thursday morning. Flood watch continues for portions of Arkansas and Oklahoma, including the following counties: in Arkansas, Benton, Carroll, Crawford, Franklin, Madison, Sebastian, and Washington are. In Oklahoma, Adair, Cherokee, Choctaw, Craig, Creek, Delaware, Haskell, Latimer, LaFleur, Mays, McIntosh, Muskogee, rainfall overnight through today's prediction.